Action cameras are small, lightweight, and easy to carry, making them perfect for capturing adventures on the go without adding bulk to your gear. Introducing the latest innovation in action cameras, the Insta360 X4. Get ready to capture every breathtaking moment with unparalleled clarity and versatility. With its cutting-edge specs, the Insta360 X4 is the ultimate tool for adventurers, creators, and anyone who wants to push the limits of storytelling. With stunning 8K resolution in 360 degrees mode and versatile shooting options in single-lens mode, the X4 ensures every detail of your adventure is captured in breathtaking clarity. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the video description, and you can buy this Insta360 X4 at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. The Insta360 X4 looks a lot like its predecessor, the X3, and that's good news because the X3 was already easy to use. It has a grippy surface that's easy to hold, and you can attach it to a selfie stick using a special mount underneath. The camera has two big wide lenses that cover everything around it. These lenses need protection, so the camera comes with clear covers that you can screw on and off. This is better than the X3, which had sticky covers you couldn't reuse. The camera is tough and can be used underwater up to 33 feet, 10 meters. It's all sealed up, but if it's not sealed properly, you'll see an orange color inside the catch, a cool design feature. You charge the camera with a USB-C port, and it has a big battery that lasts for up to 135 minutes of recording. That's a lot more than the X3, which only lasted for 81 minutes. You put a memory card in the camera to save your recordings. Because the camera is waterproof, the memory card slot is inside the battery compartment, not on the outside like on some other cameras. The X4 is a bit bigger and heavier than the X3, but it still feels solid. There are buttons on the camera for power, menu, and recording, and there's a touchscreen to control everything else. You can customize the camera settings on the touchscreen, like the shooting mode and resolution. You can also use gestures and voice commands to control it, which is handy when you can't reach the buttons. The touchscreen also lets you adjust exposure settings and view your photos and videos. It's easy to use, especially with helpful on-screen instructions. The camera is meant to be used vertically like on a phone. You can record horizontally too, but it's mainly designed for people who like using their phones vertically. The camera can get warm when you're recording, especially in high-resolution modes. But it handles well for everyone, whether you're new to cameras or a pro. The Insta360 X4 has a much better battery life than its predecessor, the X3, which was already pretty good. The new 2,290 mAh battery lasts up to 135 minutes, 67% longer than the X3's 81 minutes. The camera also saves power by turning off the display when you're not using it, which is handy for long recordings like time-lapses. Plus, you can charge it on the go using USB-C. Despite a slow startup time of 2 to 3 seconds, the X4 is quick and responsive. Voice and gesture commands work well, and a light indicator lets you know when it's ready to go. The camera's image stabilization, called flow state, is excellent. It smooths out shaky footage, even when the camera is moving in all directions. There are also lots of fun shooting modes to play with, like bullet time, where you swing the camera around on a selfie stick for a cool spinning effect. Other modes include hyperlapse for fast motion videos on the move and time-lapse for capturing changing scenes over time. Single-lens modes like Me Mode and Free Frame make it easy to track subjects or adjust the aspect ratio for social media posts. Overall, the Insta360 X4 combines lots of fun shooting modes with an easy-to-use interface, making it a great choice for adventurers and content creators alike. The Insta360 X4's main feature is its 8K video recording, an upgrade from the X3's 5.7K resolution. With its wide lenses, the higher resolution lets you edit 360-degree videos more flexibly, focusing on key action areas with crisp detail. There's also a wider range of frame rates. You can shoot slow-motion videos up to 100 frames per second in 4K, compared to the X3's 100 frames per second in 3K, and single-lens mode can now shoot at 60 frames per second instead of 30 frames per second. This gives you more options for your shots and makes the X4 feel like a versatile action camera. especially with modes like free frame for mixing up aspect ratios. The X4 isn't just for videos. It can also take 360-degree photos up to 72 megapixel and HDR photos up to 18 megapixel. In single lens mode, photo resolution is 36 megapixel, and there's a convenient gesture-controlled timer for getting ready for your shot. Indoors or in bright sunlight, the high-resolution half-an-inch sensor captures everything around you, from bright skies to deep shadows. It's important to consider which video modes to use for different scenes. HDR video captures more detail but may look processed, while shooting in the flat color profile allows for editing later. We're still reviewing the sample photos and videos taken with the Insta360 X4, and we'll update this review with our findings. Our initial impressions are very positive, but we'll provide a final score once we've thoroughly analyzed the content captured. The Insta360 X4 is now globally available after its announcement on April 16th, priced at $499 in the USA and approximately $1899 AED in the UAE. This price increase is reasonable considering the camera's enhanced features, although the X3's price has dropped since its release and may continue to decrease after the X4's launch, making it an attractive budget-friendly option. In the Insta360 ecosystem, there are numerous optional accessories available, including various selfie sticks designed for special effects like bullet time, mounts, and an underwater housing. With the X4, you receive detachable lens protectors, and replacement protectors can be purchased separately. Additionally, a microSD memory card is required to store photos and videos. Various bundles are also available, each including different accessories, which can be explored on the Insta360 store. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Insta360 X4. With its cutting-edge features, rugged design, and versatility, the X4 is poised to redefine how you capture and share your adventures. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or documenting everyday moments, the X4 is your ultimate companion. That's it, guys, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.